YouTube, your gateway to freedom. Are you dreaming of a life free from the daily grind? YouTube offers a remarkable path to achieving your goals. Millions of creators are earning substantial income by sharing their knowledge and creativity. You can join them. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned professional, YouTube welcomes you with open arms. With hard work and dedication, you can unlock your earning potential and live life on your terms. Anyone with a computer or smartphone can start a channel. You don't need fancy equipment or a Hollywood budget. All you need is a message, a story, or a skill you're passionate about sharing. YouTube provides the tools and resources to reach a global audience. Imagine the possibilities. This is your chance to break free from the ordinary and embrace a future filled with purpose and prosperity. Introducing AI bots, your secret weapon to content creation domination. These intelligent assistants are revolutionizing the way we create and consume content. They can help you produce high-quality videos consistently, even if you're short on time or resources. Imagine this. You wake up to find your AI bot has created and uploaded a captivating video to your channel while you were sleeping. Your subscriber count is soaring, and the comments section is buzzing with excitement. The future of content creation is here, and it's powered by AI. Subscribing to Success Your AI Bot channel awaits. Ready to embark on your AI-powered YouTube adventure? Subscribing to an AI bot service is quick and easy. Numerous reputable providers offer a range of plans to suit every budget and channel size. Simply choose the package that aligns with your needs, create an account, and you're ready to roll. Once you've subscribed, it's time to unleash the power of your AI bot. Begin by defining your channel's niche and target audience. This crucial step ensures your bot creates content that resonates with the right viewers. Provide your bot with relevant keywords, topics, and even examples of videos you like. The more information you give it, the better it will understand your vision and tailor its creations accordingly. Now, the fun part begins. Let your AI bot work its magic as it generates captivating video ideas, writes engaging scripts, and even suggests eye-catching titles and descriptions. You can review, edit, and fine-tune the bot's suggestions to ensure they align with your brand's voice and style. Remember, the bot is your creative partner, not your overlord. With your content pipeline flowing smoothly, it's time to focus on the technical aspects of your channel. Crafting content that captivates, engage your audience. Content is king on YouTube. To keep viewers coming back for more, you need to deliver high-quality, engaging videos that provide value. Your AI bot can be your secret weapon in crafting compelling content that keeps audiences glued to their screens. Start by identifying trending topics within your niche. What are people searching for? What questions are they asking? Your AI bot can analyze search trends and provide you with data-driven insights to guide your content strategy. Once you have a grasp of what's hot, it's time to brainstorm creative video ideas. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Your AI bot can help you generate fresh, innovative concepts that captivate your target audience. Experiment with different video formats such as tutorials, reviews, challenges, or behind-the-scenes glimpses. Variety is key to keeping your content fresh and exciting. Remember to prioritize quality over quantity. It's better to produce a few exceptional videos than a dozen mediocre ones. Ensure your content is well-researched, well-written, and visually appealing. Use high-quality visuals, clear audio, and engaging editing techniques to keep viewers hooked. Your AI bot can assist you with many of these tasks, but your personal touch and creative flair are what will truly make your videos stand out. The power of interaction, building a loyal community. Building a thriving YouTube channel goes beyond simply uploading great content. It's about fostering a sense of community and engaging with your viewers. Encourage interaction by asking questions in your videos, responding to comments, and hosting live Q&A sessions. Your AI bot can help you manage this process by identifying frequently asked questions and even suggesting appropriate responses. Consider creating contests, giveaways, or challenges to boost engagement and reward your loyal viewers. These interactive elements can inject a sense of fun and excitement into your channel, fostering a stronger bond between you and your audience. Promote your contests and giveaways on social media to expand your reach and attract new subscribers. Don't underestimate the power of collaboration. Partnering with other creators in your niche can expose your channel to a wider audience and open up new creative possibilities. Collaborate on joint videos, guest star in each other's content, or simply give each other shout-outs. Cross-promotion is a powerful tool for channel growth. YouTube's monetization magic turns views into profits. One of the most enticing aspects of YouTube is its monetization potential. Once you've built a substantial subscriber base and racked up significant watch time, you can start earning revenue from your videos. YouTube offers various monetization avenues including advertising revenue, channel memberships, and merchandise shelf integrations. Your AI bot can play a crucial role in maximizing your earnings by optimizing your content for monetization. The most common way to make money on YouTube is through ad revenue. By enabling monetization on your videos, you allow YouTube to display ads before, during, or after your content. You earn a portion of the revenue generated from these ads. Your AI bot can analyze your video performance and suggest optimal ad placement strategies to maximize your earnings without disrupting the viewing experience. Channel memberships offer a more direct way to monetize your content. By offering exclusive perks such as badges, emojis, or members-only content, you can entice viewers to become paying subscribers. Secrets to success leveraging YouTube's powerful features. YouTube provides a wealth of powerful features designed to help creators grow their channels and maximize their reach. By leveraging these tools effectively, you can gain a competitive edge and accelerate your path to YouTube stardom. Your AI bot can be your trusted sidekick, guiding you through the intricacies of YouTube's features and optimizing your channel for success. One crucial aspect is keyword research. By identifying relevant keywords and phrases related to your content, you can optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags to rank higher in YouTube search results. Your AI bot can perform comprehensive keyword research, providing you with a list of high-volume, low-competition keywords to target. Another powerful tool is YouTube Analytics. This invaluable resource provides detailed insights into your channel's performance, including audience demographics, watch time, traffic sources, and more. By analyzing this data, you can identify areas for improvement, refine your content strategy, and make data-driven decisions to grow your channel. The proof is in the pudding. Countless YouTubers are already reaping the rewards of incorporating AI bots into their content creation workflow. Let's take a look at some inspiring case studies of real people who have achieved remarkable success with AI-powered channels. Meet Sarah, a busy mom of two who always dreamed of starting a cooking channel but could never find the time. With the help of an AI bot, Sarah now consistently uploads high-quality recipe videos to her channel, Sarah's Scrumptious Bites. The bot generates creative recipe ideas, writes engaging scripts, and even edits Sarah's videos, freeing up her time to focus on her family and her passion for cooking. Sarah's channel has grown exponentially, garnering thousands of subscribers and generating a steady stream of ad revenue. Then there's John, a tech enthusiast who wanted to share his knowledge with the world but struggled with video editing and production. Enter his AI bot sidekick. John's bot now handles all the technical aspects of his channel. Tech Talk with John, from video editing and thumbnail creation to social media promotion. This allows John to focus on what he does best, delivering informative and engaging tech reviews. Are you ready to unlock your earning potential and embark on your own YouTube adventure? The time is now. The world of online video is brimming with opportunity, and with the power of AI bots at your fingertips, there's never been a better time to take the leap. Don't let fear, doubt, or procrastination hold you back. Your dream YouTube channel is just a few clicks away. Start by identifying your passion. What are you knowledgeable about? What do you enjoy talking about for hours on end? Your passion will fuel your creativity and keep you motivated throughout your YouTube journey. Remember, authenticity is key. Viewers can spot a fake a mile away. Choose a niche that genuinely excites you, and your enthusiasm will shine through in your videos. Next, define your target audience. Who are you trying to reach with your content? What are their interests, needs, and pain points? Understanding your target audience is crucial for crafting content that resonates and compels viewers to subscribe and return for more. Your AI bot can assist with audience research, providing you with valuable insights to guide your content strategy. Building a successful YouTube channel is not without its challenges. You'll encounter obstacles, setbacks, and moments of self-doubt along the way. But don't let these challenges discourage you. Every successful YouTuber has faced their fair share of adversity. The key is to persevere, learn from your mistakes, and never give up on your dreams. One common challenge is dealing with negativity. As your channel grows, you'll inevitably encounter negative comments, trolls, and even haters. Don't let these individuals get under your skin. Remember, their negativity says more about them than it does about you. Focus on your loyal fans, engage with positive comments, and ignore the haters. Your AI bot can help you manage comments and filter out spam, freeing up your time and energy to focus on the good stuff. Another challenge is staying motivated. Building a YouTube channel takes time, effort, and consistency. The future of content creation is here, and it's powered by AI. AI bots are revolutionizing the way we create and consume content, offering creators unprecedented opportunities to reach wider audiences, maximize their earning potential, and achieve YouTube stardom. Embrace the AI bot revolution today and unlock a world of possibilities. Imagine a world where you can effortlessly produce high-quality videos, engage with your audience, and grow your channel exponentially, all with the help of your trusty AI bot sidekick. This is the future of YouTube, and it's within your grasp. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Join the thousands of creators who are already reaping the rewards of AI-powered content creation. The journey to YouTube success starts with a single step. Take that step today.